I've been there, but I have to stay.
Hey y'all, it's Emily and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my entire morning routine featuring a product from Javy coffee. So I'll be trying out their coffee concentrate today as part of my morning routine, because one of the first things that most people do in the morning is make coffee. Usually I will make whatever sort of caffeinated drink I'm feeling, sometimes tea. In this case it's going to be coffee. And yeah, I'm going to be trying it out and tell you how I like it and showing you everything I do in a summer productive morning routine. Also, my hair is different than it is going to be in the rest of the video because I dyed it again recently. What's new? You'll see a video of that coming again soon. And then the lighting's terrible because I'm in a hotel room because I'm out of the country. That video will also be coming out soon. But anyways, let's get on with this morning routine. Okay, so first things first, obviously I have to wake up. So typically how I wake up every morning is my dog Taya will go peek her head out the window and kind of open my curtains and shine the light right in my face. So that's usually how I wake up, or with her jumping on top of me or something like that. So you can see in this video that she did both of those things, but I love her, so I think that's honestly the best way that I could possibly wake up. And then the first thing that I do in the morning is I usually drink a bit of water. I'll usually finish up my whole water bottle because your girl just went 9 hours without drinking during her sleep, so she needs some water. And then I'll just finish this water bottle just like throughout the rest of my morning, and I'll carry it with me like it's my life, because it kind of is. And I'll head off to the bathroom and do normal bathroom things. So right now I'm washing my face. I don't have a set time where I wash my face. It kind of just happens whenever, but sometimes I just like to put a little water on my face to start my day off. And then I will wash it sometime throughout my morning routine, but I just recently filmed a skincare routine, so if you want to see how I wash my face every morning, you can watch that instead. And then priorities, my dog obviously has to go outside and do her own business, so we head out there. She's always super excited to get up and go outside and say hello to everybody in the house and all of our other pets. And then we go outside, and typically I will sit with her outside and kind of breathe in the air, you know, be in nature or whatever, and I'll just sit with her while she does her little puppy business, and sometimes she'll run around a bit and play before we go back inside and finish up the rest of my morning routine. Okay, so obviously I need to eat some food, so right now I'm making a smoothie. I usually will end up making a smoothie in the morning, so this one's just this random smoothie with like some fruits in it, so I blend that up and that's my breakfast. But that's not enough to sustain me, so I definitely made something else after this, but I kind of threw something together and it wasn't that pretty, so enjoy this beautiful smoothie that I made. Okay, next on to honestly the most important part of my morning, our caffeinated drink. So this is the coffee concentrate that I'll be trying out from Javy coffee. So this is interesting because it's a pre-made concentrate and you only have to add a little bit to your water or whatever other liquid you want to be using, and then your drink's automatically made. Now I prefer an iced coffee, so this is perfect for me, but it'll also work with hot or boiled water, but in this case I just used iced water. So for this product you're supposed to add 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces of water. So I poured myself 8 ounces of water, poured in 1 teaspoon. You can add more or less to make it however strong you like. So I just added the one, added some water, and it ended up filling up half my jar, which is perfect because I also love adding a little bit of milk to my coffee. So I added ice, milk, and it was perfect. And then honestly, I'll usually just sip this down in one sitting and that's it. But I had some computer work to do, so I sat down and edited this morning while drinking my smoothie and drinking my coffee. This is pretty typical for me to do in the morning. Sometimes I have a little bit of extra work I want to get done on a video or on some Instagram post or anything like that, and so I'll work on that really quickly and post it. But I actually don't like sitting down and like doing things on any devices in the morning because I've just been laying down for multiple hours. I want to be doing something, using my brain. So I'll usually try to make this pretty quick. Okay, so after drinking all this coffee, I have a few things to say about it. So first of all, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is pour a little teaspoon into a glass of water or milk, and then you're good to go. Add whatever you want to it. So I love that aspect of it. And honestly, my most favorite part is the straws, because it also came with 2 golden straws, one bent and one straight, along with a straw cleaner, and each of the straws had a little grippy bit on the end, kind of as a bite guard to protect your teeth, which is super great. And the straws, honestly, I have been using them every single day since I got them. And yeah, if you're a coffee person, I totally recommend this to you, especially if you're not a morning person and you like to sleep in and have the least possible things to do in the morning before you have to get up and go, which is perfect for me because I am that person. And that is basically the last thing of my morning routine before, of course, I get dressed into my daily outfit. On this specific day when I filmed this routine, I was actually going on a 6-hour car trip to visit some family, so I put on a comfy dress because, well, obviously I wanted to be comfortable. And that was all of my morning routine for this video. So of course, usually my morning routine changes throughout the day. I don't do the same thing every single day because I'm a girl who loves change, but this is my typical morning routine. Of course, I'll also do like some other random things, like I'll feed my dog. I didn't show that. And I'll brush my teeth. I didn't show that either. But other than that, this is a pretty typical morning routine, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, if you want to go check out the Javy coffee concentrate, you can go check it out in the description. I will link it there if you're interested in it. My favorite part about it is that it's really quick and easy, so you can throw together your coffee in like 2 seconds and run out the door, which is so amazing because it'll save you a little bit of time in your day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like below, subscribe, comment. I will read and respond to all of your comments, and stay tuned for my next video because I post twice a week, every week, every Sunday and Thursday, usually when I can. So I'll see you next time. Bye.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody